Ready to give your plaid skirt a seriously stylish upgrade? First, lay your skirt flat and decide where you want your slits. I'm opting for 2, 1 on each side. Using a measuring tape, measure up from the hemline. I'm going for about 6 inches, but you can adjust this to your preference. Mark each side with tailor's chalk. Now, carefully cut along those chalk lines. Remember, measure twice, cut once. Take your time to ensure a clean, straight cut. Next, fold the raw edges of each slit inwards, about 1/4 inch, and iron them flat. This will create a nice, clean edge for sewing and prevent fraying. Time to sew. Using a sewing machine, stitch along the folded edges of each slit. Close to the fold, a straight stitch will do just fine. Backstitch at the beginning and end to secure the seams. Trim any excess fabric close to the stitching. Be careful not to cut the stitches. This will reduce bulk and create a neater finish. And there you have it, 2 stylish slits added to your plaid skirt, giving it a fresh, edgy look and better movement. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY fashion hacks. #PlaidSkirt #DIY fashion.